Hello creatives and welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to make some ATC cards. ATC cards are artist trading cards or altered trading cards, whatever you want to call them. They're basically cards that are in the size of a playing card that you can trade or use in your junk journaling. So I'm going to create a nature themed journal, and as you can tell, the video is walking you through step by step what I did. This is also in collaboration with my friend from Raven's Compendium, Chantal. She also has movie minis. She is a great YouTuber, so definitely check her out. I will post her link below. But together we decided to do A to Z artist trading cards. So I'm going to, in preparation for a journal, I'm going to make a nature themed. If you saw my previous video, Chantal has sent me a box of nature themed items from Amazon that I'm going to be turning into a journal very shortly. So you get to see a little bit of behind the scenes before we get to that journal. But basically I'm going to create a set of journal cards A to Z with different flowers. I do use Bing Image Creator to create the flower images that I'm looking for in the exact color scheme, and basically help me figure out what flowers to use. So check that out. I'm going to, obviously you hear the music in the background, but I'm going to just let you sit back and enjoy. I do have subtitles or information on each step of the way, but definitely let me know if you have any questions at all. I really enjoyed making this. It took about 5 hours, I think, for me to create all of this, and I've compiled it down to a 13-minute video for you. So please watch, enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching.